Hello, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to use some word keys here. Click on this, open it, choose a document, open it. Now here this is a Word document, very first page. If I want to make this align to left of the paper side, I will click on this side. So now it is in left side. If I want to keep it in very right side, then I will click on this. If I want to make it justify, then I will click on this. Now it will open into these forms: justify, justify low, justify medium, justify high. So whatever you want, justify high. Now in this sense, if justify medium, in this sense, justify low, justify, but I want justify high. Justify high means it creates gaps between the words to uh, make the statement to cover the page of almost all the space. As here, how to change page orientation in MS Word. Here these are abnormal gaps between the words, so in this way you can make it. For example, if this is a justifiable paragraph, I want to make it uh, left. Now you can see here this is not in a same alignment, but if I want to make align to justify, click on this and click on justify. Now this is in a very straight line, so in this way you can choose it. Hope you find it helpful.